Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm going to be telling you guys some Crypto.com news, some very bullish news. And the first thing I'm starting off with is about CRO starting to be listed on more and more exchanges. As we can see, Coin1 just listed them on their exchange, and withdrawals will start on May 3rd. So people are more likely to only invest once they can withdraw. So even though deposits started on April 30th and trading started April 30th, it's more likely for price action to change on May 3rd. Upbit crypto exchange just did the CRO migration from ERC20 to mainnet, so that's pretty bullish news as more and more exchanges that are listing CRO move over to mainnet just to make the withdrawal fees a lot cheaper and to give more options for people to be buying CRO other than from Crypto.com. And also, when exchanges start listing CRO like this, that just gives even more exposure to CRO and more likely for people to buy it as well, as it's more on more places to accept it. Next up is that they introduced new features on Crypto.com Tax. You can import transactions directly from ETH and BTC blockchains, view new transaction types including swap and cost. It's available in the US and Canada, so that's pretty good news, especially for anyone who is very confused on taxes. Crypto.com makes your taxes very easy. Now, one thing to keep in mind is me personally, I will never give you any tax advice or anything like that. No financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to give any tax advice either. All right, next up, Crypto.com Capital. If you guys know about that, I've talked about that in a few videos. NAOS Finance, building an innovative DeFi lending protocol. So this is pretty bullish news because it's more likely that they're going to be launching on the CRO chain, since it allows smart contracts and all of that for projects to be able to even be built on chain. Why wouldn't they, when Crypto.com is literally like helping them, like giving them money for their project? Another thing is that Cosmos Station just turned into a global partnership with Crypto.org chain, and you guys can read about it here. So it says Crypto.org chain is now available on IBC wallet. Import your mnemonics or create a new wallet to begin securely staking your CRO for passive income. So you can now stake your CRO on IBC wallet as well, not just DeFi wallet. We can see here that the CRO chain is now supported on Cosmos Station mobile on iOS and Android. Pretty bullish news as it keeps expanding. Now it's on the IBC wallet. It's now on Coin1. And Upbit just their migration from ERC20 to mainnet. So it's all falling into place. Another thing is that Crypto.com Pay just partnered with LabbyMod. They have an exclusive promotion where you can get up to 20% off and earn 10% back in pay rewards. So as long as you use Crypto.com Pay on their website between April 30th, 2021 and May 21st, 2021, this is LabbyMod. It's a Minecraft website, and Minecraft's a really popular game, so it's really bullish that they're partnering with these type of websites that are connected to like these really big platforms and such. It really gives more exposure to Crypto.com as well with Crypto.com Pay. Lastly, we can talk about the price that I can just mention really quick. So if you compare it in Bitcoin terms, you can see it's basically flatlined. So even if it's down from its 25 cents or right here of dipping down, it's doing exactly what Bitcoin's doing. And if you're bullish on Bitcoin, then you should be bullish on CRO. When you look at it this way and see it's literally like flattened out against Bitcoin. I mean, look, you can take like a line right there, right? You can see it's like pretty much ever since like March 16th or whatever. I mean, it has gone up against Bitcoin and then back down, back up, but it hasn't gone below this. It's touched this spot a few times. You can see 1, 2, 3, and they're about to be right here as well. This just shows that it has support against Bitcoin. And the cool thing is, if it's gaining just as much as Bitcoin is, this just shows that you're actually making more money by investing in CRO than you are Bitcoin as of right now, simply because of all the perks that you get from it. Like if you're staking for Jade Indigo, you get 10% interest plus your Spotify and your Netflix and your 10% interest paid out weekly and everything like that. Just know, for me personally, I'll always say Bitcoin is the safest investment, and that's why I'm doing a Bitcoin for Beginners course on my channel, which I highly recommend you guys check out if you're new to crypto in general. And Bitcoin's the best hedge against inflation that there ever will be, in my opinion. But short term, we can see that CRO is basically equal to Bitcoin right now. So, and it's been doing that for months. So it's not just all of a sudden randomly doing it. Like, it's held support against Bitcoin for a while now. So if you expect Bitcoin to skyrocket up to like 288,000, then expect CRO to make just as much gains as Bitcoin will, not in price, but in percentage wise. And one last thing, I did ask Crypto.com support about the instant debit card top-ups. I'm sure all of you are wondering that. Hopefully I'll have an answer before this video even releases. I basically sent the screenshots of the email. I copied and pasted each section asking, when will this happen? It was supposed to happen on April 30th. So we'll see what goes on with that. Maybe they're just really busy. They're packed with things, but I mean, we'll see what happens. It was Friday, April 30th. Hong Kong time is different, so maybe it has something to do with the weekend, maybe. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then subscribe for more future content like this, and I'll see you guys later in my next one.